Yan o, start mo. Porteya. 4 minutes, 37 seconds.
Mike.
All.
Alex. Ikaw na magsalita.
Diyan mo ran, bilisan mo. Victor.
Si Victor.
3 minutes, 40 seconds. Score. 3 minutes, 70 seconds. Foul.
Ganda nun. Ha? Oo. Isa pa yun dito. Eh, meron pa siyang isa.
Five, 6. 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Ito ba yun? Black yun ah. Hindi naman ito ah. Yun. Ito ba yun?
Same ball.
Huwag ka muna inom ng soft drinks. Wala.
Ito yung alam sapatos ni Roland.
Eh, kasan ba isa mo?
Doon. Alan. Huli.
Sayang, dami saan pala nating player eh. Dapat 2 oras na.
One and 30. Seven.
Parang malalagot. Sir, parang malalagot. 1, 2, 3.
Score.
8-5.
Dito ka. Ay! Shit.
28.
Sure tayo, Carl.
25. 23. 20. 18.
Uy, short.
15. 14. 12. 10.
7.
6.
Kaya may
5. 4. 3.
8-6 na
2. Change court. Change court, change court. Okay. White team lead by 2 points. Gavin Tanem. Bayao Alviso. Pass to Port. Pass the ball to Park. Young shot.
Kasi may listahan. Pinalapit ako sa listahan.
Attempt for 3. No good. Rebound. Alviso. 3 wall the ball by Alviso. Pass to Calvin. Calvin young shot. No good. Rebound. Pass to San Alfred. Nice. 9-6. 9-7.
Para Efren Bata. Walang map.
Alfred, jump shot. Nice shot by San Alfred. Score 10-7. Time remaining 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Salbong. What? Score 11-7. Intercept by Jerry. Salbong. Lee. Nice pass by Lee. 12-7. Score.
Kada na to, itim na kami ito.
Itim na kayo siya. Oo, hindi naman ako talaga laro. Kulang lang kanina.
Bayao to Alviso. Foul by Jerry. Time remaining.
Bossing, ba't bumalik ko ng ano mo? Alas 12.
Ay, ano nangyari?
Ang nangyari? Hindi ko alam.
16. Sorry. 16.
Alviso. Layup.
Ilang minuto na kanina?
7 minutes ka.
Yeah, 6. Yeah.
Go.
Ay siya.
Ba't binaliktad mo naman?
Ang binaliktad. Pass. Young shot. Okay. Score 13-7. In favor of the white team. Calvin. Good. Rebound by Jeric. Jeric. Rebound the ball by Jeric. Jeric. To lead. Alviso. Rebound by Alviso. Yeah. Back to Park. Short. Lee, dribble the ball by Lee. Nice pick. Nice pass. Sir Alfred. Score 7-14.
Sabay lang ang kaya.
Nice shot by Boss Lee. Score 15-7. Tambak na. Kalahati. Kalahati na, kalahati. 6 na shoot lang yan.
Puti.
Ay, tambak ka.
Time remaining, 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Nice shot. Score 7-16. Alviso. Nice shot by Alviso. Kalahati.
Luma.
3 minutes.
Time remaining, 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Ayaw na, basta to.
Nice shot by Calvin. Score 9-16. Is the score. Attempt for 2. Nice shot. 11-17.
Time.
3 minutes. Exactly. Sabi harap by Alvin. Intercept by Aviso.
Tatlo. Ay, tatlo.
Then, for layup. Nice shot. O, 5 na lang. 12-17. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Two minutes and 20 seconds. Boss Alfred, attempt for 3. Oh, it's only a pass to Jerry. Nice take.
Ati naman yun.
Oh, good. Alfred. Nice intercept by Lee. Jerry. 18-12. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Alviso, attempt for 3. Pasa pala yun, pasa. Pasa pala yun, hindi nakuha ni Calvin eh. Pasa yun eh. Time remaining, 1 minute and 18 seconds. Intercept by Calvin, Alviso, to Bayao, nice shot. 13-18, exactly 1 minute. 13-18. 5 lang oh.
Dos lang yan.
Alviso.
Excuse me.
14-18. Time remaining. 35 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds.
Oy!
19-14. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game ball. Leading by 5 points. White team.
Play na lang yan, sir. Play.
Ganyan na lang to. Dito.